Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the screenshot format on Samsung Galaxy S24 FE. To change the screenshot format, swipe down from the top of your screen, then swipe down again to reveal these shortcuts, and press and hold on Screen Recorder. This will open screenshots and screen recording settings, and under screenshot settings you can find format. Click on it, and now you can change the screenshot format to either JPEG or PNG. You can also change where to save the screenshot. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.